Hello, and welcome to Western Nevada College's online financial aid training for Nevada Promise applicants. The following presentation will focus on types of financial aid, the free application for federal student aid, or FAFSA, important dates and deadlines for the Nevada Promise Scholarship, and appropriate mentor relationships. Please pay attention as you must successfully pass a mandatory knowledge check at the end of this training. You can go to college. Funding your education should not be a barrier to pursuing your higher education goals. Paying for college. The four basic types of financial aid are scholarships, grants, work-study, and loans. Financial aid is available for people of all levels of income. First, we have scholarships. Scholarships are money you do not pay back. Anyone can apply. It could be based on merit or area of academic interest, but not always. Look for outside sources, and there are many types and many deadlines. WNC Foundation Scholarships. We have one application that puts you in the queue for many scholarships. The deadline to have it completed is April 1st. Governor Gwynn Millennium Scholarship Program. Established in 1999 by Governor Gwynn. Eligibility requirements are available on the State Treasurer's Office website, nevadatreasurer.gov. Nevada Promise Scholarship. Nevada Promise is a scholarship and mentoring program which makes college more accessible to students in our state. The scholarship covers the cost of tuition and class fees for qualifying students in fall 2019. Specific Nevada Promise details will be covered later in the presentation. Next, we have grants. Grants are money you do not pay back. Usually, these are awarded based on financial need as determined by the federal government. Examples are Pell Grant, Nevada Resident Grant, and Western Nevada Award. So we have federal grants, state grants, and institutional grants. Work-study programs. Work-study involves student employment. It involves on-campus and off-campus jobs. Students can gain experience, and students are paid for the hours they actually work. Work-study is a really good opportunity as it gives students a chance to network, and very importantly, work-studies are required to work around your schedule, so you never have to choose between calling into work or calling into school. Loans. Loans provide money that you will have to pay back. You should consider loans as a last resort. There are loans based on financial need and loans that are not based on financial need. You will need to complete a FAFSA to determine your eligibility for student loans. Here at WNC, we are a little different. Unlike UNR, where they pre-award loans, we do have additional steps in order to complete a loan. So if you are interested in loans, I recommend coming into our office so we can sit down with you and help you out. How to apply. Grants, work-study, and loans are through the free application for federal student aid, or FAFSA. Loans often have additional steps and requirements. Consult the financial aid office for the process. Scholarships. Complete the scholarship application. The FAFSA is not always required, and pay attention to the deadlines. FAFSA.gov, the free application for federal student aid. This is what the website now looks like in order to be more user-friendly to students and parents. What you need to complete a 2019-2020 FAFSA: Social Security number and your parent's Social Security number, a driver's license number if you have one, your alien registration number if you are not a U.S. citizen, your 2017 federal income tax return and your parent's 2017 federal income tax return, information on savings, investments, and business and farm assets. And WNC school code is 013896. Federal Student Aid ID, FSA ID for short. The FSA ID serves as an electronic signature for the FAFSA and some other financial aid forms. The FSA ID can be obtained prior to submitting the FAFSA. Students and parents each need their own FSA ID to sign their FAFSA. Safeguard your FSA ID as you will use this every year you apply for financial aid. What to expect once you have submitted your FAFSA. A confirmation email from FAFSA, a confirmation email from WNC indicating your FAFSA was received, to-do list emails, to-do list item examples, verification, student and parent must provide additional information to the school, a required institutional form, selective service. All communication is through email. You must provide a current and accurate email. What does the FAFSA discover? Estimated family contribution, EFC. Some factors that contribute to your EFC include adjusted gross income, family size and number of students in college, assets, other untaxed income. Here's a formula to determine your need. Cost of attendance minus your EFC gives your need. This is the amount a financial aid office can award to students through need-based federal, state, institutional aid programs. How do you find out about your financial aid award? Review your award letter sent to you via email. Log into your MyWNC to view your shopping sheet, cost of attendance, and financial aid awards. Note, students who receive additional awards will continue to receive updated award letters. How do I receive my financial aid funds? Financial aid awards are disbursed towards class fees beginning the week prior to the semester. If your financial aid awards exceed your class fees, you'll be issued a financial aid refund to help with your other educational expenses, such as books, supplies, transportation, etc. Ways to receive your refund: direct deposit, highly encouraged. You can sign up in your MyWNC Student Center. There's also paper check via USPS. Important financial aid dates and deadlines. The 2019-2020 FAFSA will be available October 1st, 2018. Complete your FAFSA and your financial aid file early to increase your chance at receiving multiple types of aid. The WNC priority funding deadline is April 1st, 2019. Your WNC financial aid file must be complete prior to July 1st, 2019 to guarantee payment for the fall 2019 semester. You can complete the process later than this, but you should make payment arrangements. The Nevada Promise Scholarship was established by state legislature in 2017 and aims to make college more affordable for students by covering the cost of tuition and class fees at any community college in the state of Nevada. Here are some financial aid details you need to know. Nevada Promise Scholarship. In order to qualify, students must meet all the program deadlines, including the following financial aid related deadlines. December 30th. Attend at least one training meeting offered by the college. This financial aid training meets this requirement. April 1st. Complete the free application for Federal Student Aid, or FAFSA, and subsequently receive an expected family contribution, EFC, and attend a hands-on FAFSA workshop at your school. April 30th. You must complete your financial aid file. Outstanding to-do list items must be resolved. Enroll in a minimum of 12 semester credit hours in an associate degree program, a bachelor's degree program, or a certificate of achievement program for each semester of the school year immediately following the school year in which the student graduates from high school. By October 31st, 2018, you've had to apply for the Nevada Promise Scholarship. By December 30th, 2018, you must attend a financial aid training. This counts as that training. By April 1st, 2019, you must complete the free application for Federal Student Aid, or FAFSA, complete the WNC Foundation Scholarship. It is highly recommended. By April 30th, 2019, you must attend a Nevada Promise and a New Student Orientation, which is your second training. Meet with your assigned mentor at least once. Confirm that you have met all eligibility requirements with financial aid. Complete 20 hours of community service and submit the verification form. By June 15th, 2019, you must have graduated from high school. And some other requirements prior to fall 2019, you must have had take a placement test, the ACT, SAT, or the AccuPlacer, and enroll in at least 12 credits for fall of 2019. Who is a mentor and how do I get one? Mentors can be WNC faculty and staff, high school teachers, members of the community, etc. Mentors attend a training and are fully background checked. Mentors are volunteers who want to help you succeed in your transition from high school to college and beyond. Mentors will be assigned in January via email following completion of financial aid training. Some frequently asked questions are, can I request a mentor? Yes, but they must attend a training and be background checked. Mentors are limited to 10 students, so it is possible that your request will not be honored. Can my aunt, uncle, parent, etc., or my employer be my mentor? No. Mentors cannot be assigned a mentee whom they employ or who is closely related to them within the third degree. A mentor is a resource, listener, guide, cheerleader, role model, advocate, coach, and encourager. A mentor is not a parent, therapist, provider, savior, tutor, best friend, academic advisor, or a counselor. It is your responsibility to reach out and meet with your mentor prior to the April 30th deadline. To maintain eligibility, you must meet with your mentor a minimum of once each fall and spring semester, beginning spring 2019. We encourage you to meet, or at least communicate via email or phone, with your mentor on a monthly basis. Some more frequently asked questions are, where can I meet with my mentor? We recommend meeting on campus or somewhere else that's public. Coffee shop, library, etc. Do not meet at either your or your mentor's home. Another one is, can my parent come along to meet my mentor? Yes, absolutely. We want to make sure that both you and your parents feel safe and comfortable. Student eligibility for the Nevada Promise Scholarship. You must be classified as a Nevada resident for tuition purposes by the institution where they plan to receive the Nevada Promise Scholarship. Before the beginning of the fall 2019 semester, you must have earned one of the following during the 2018-2019 academic year: a high school diploma from a public or private high school located in Nevada, a high school diploma from a public high school in a county of another state that borders Nevada and accepts Nevada residents, or a general equivalency diploma, GED, or equivalent document. You must be less than 20 years of age when initially receiving the scholarship, not have earned a prior associate's or bachelor's degree, not be in default on any federal student loan, not owe a refund to any federal student aid program. The Nevada Promise Scholarship covers the cost of tuition and class fees for qualifying students after gift aid is applied. Some examples of gift aid are Federal Pell Grant, the Silver State Opportunity Grant, and the Millennium Scholarship. Gift aid is not outside scholarships, the Foundation Scholarship, or institutional grant awards. Nevada Promise Scholarship Award Amount. Last dollar, example 1. You owe $1,250 in registration fees. The Millennium pays $480, and you're left with a $770 balance left for the semester. Nevada Promise will cover that to the last dollar and pay $770. Last dollar, example 2. You're receiving $1,880 of Pell Grant per semester. Your registration fees are $1,250. There is a remainder of $630 of extra financial aid that can be used for books. Nevada Promise will pay $0. Other resources. We have some other resources here that will help you out. These are URLs that pertain to FAFSA. We also have fastweb.com that applies you towards scholarships that regards in your situation. WNC.edu is our main homepage that you can visit at any time. And that is all for the presentation. Thank you very much, and anything is possible.